how much court fee is payable in a succession certificate case? That is the topic for today's video. My name is Ramana Reddy and I am a practicing lawyer in the High Court of Telangana. On this channel, I help you by simplifying complex legal concepts. For tips, tricks and general legal information, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. So, to give you a direct answer, the court fee that is payable in a succession certificate case is 6% of the total value of all the financial instruments that the deceased person held in his name. So what does that mean? So let's say there is a father, mother, son, daughter. Let's say the father has passed away and the three legal heirs now want to transfer the ownership of the financial instruments. Now these financial instruments can be stocks, shares, they can be fixed deposits, mutual funds, balances in the savings bank account. To transfer the ownership of these things, you would have to calculate first what is the total value of the entire amount. So let's say for example, the total value is 1 crore. Then the court fee that is payable would be 6% of 1 crore, which would be 6 lakhs. Now, this 6% court fee rule is not to be confused with the court fee that is payable for a legal heir certificate case. Because as we know by now, a legal heir certificate case is issued for when a person who passes away has land and building and the legal heirs want to transfer the land and building in their names. In that case, the court fee that is payable is 0.5% of the property value. For more information about that, as to what is the court fee for a legal heir certificate for land and building when you want to transfer ownership to the legal heirs, click the link above somewhere and you'll be able to see that video. But in this particular video, our topic is what is the court fee that is payable for a succession certificate case, which applies not to land and building, but only to movable property such as stocks, shares, fixed deposits, even gold, for example. So to give you a simple answer, it is 6% of the total value. Now, I have heard clients complain in the past that this is steep. I understand that this is steep, but that is the law, and unfortunately, there is no way around it. Unless you pay the 6%, you will not get the succession certificate from the court. Now, and unfortunately, this is the price that you have to pay for not having a nominee to these accounts. If you have a nominee, either to the to the shares, to the demat account that holds the shares, or to the FDs, mutual funds, and so on, then you don't have to, apply for a succession certificate to begin with if you just have a nominee. But, if you don't have a nominee, then you're just stuck with the procedure. And I mean, that's okay. There's no point worrying about the past. Just move forward and don't worry and don't think too much about it. Because ultimately, you still get to keep 94% after paying 6%. You still get to keep 94% of the entire value of the financial instruments. Now, the only benefit, I guess, because 6% is steep, is that you can pay this court fee, I guess, that you get for, to pay court fee in a succession certificate case that is not available for other cases. For other cases, you need to pay court fee on the date that you file the case. So let's say that I file a case against somebody because somebody's not paying me my money. So I file a suit for recovery of money, or somebody's interfering with my property and I file a suit for injunction, or I file a suit for declaration to declare me as the owner. In all those other types of cases, you need to pay court fee on the date of filing of the case. But there is some benefit that is given for a succession certificate, in that you don't have to pay court fee on the date of filing of the case, but you have the option to pay court fee on the date just before the judgment is released in your favor. Now, to answer a frequently asked question, no, you cannot transfer the shares in your name. First, sell those shares, get the money, and then pay the court. That is not permissible. You will have to pay the court just before the judgment is passed. Now, how does that help? It at least helps you plan. It helps you accumulate the court fee that is payable for it. I guess it helps you accumulate the 6% of the value of all the financial instruments that you will have to pay to the court. So that is one benefit that is given. If you want more information on how to obtain a legal hair certificate or a succession certificate in Telangana, be sure to download the free ebook that is available in the description below. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.